total loss auto accidents in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I represent victims of personal injury, legal malpractice, and we frequently get asked here, what about if there's a total loss? How do we deal with that? Typically, we as attorneys, myself along with my partner Roshan Jain, don't represent people for the value of their car. You know the value of your car, you know it pretty well. You can look it up if you don't know it. And the insurance company will tell you what they're offering you. But sometimes we get involved, or sometimes we're asked to give some advice. And the best advice we can give is to do your research, do your homework, back it up with documents. If you have new tires or a new stereo system, back it up, have the proof, show them that. They'll gladly look at it, they'll gladly check out the vehicle for that, and they'll add value for that to the total loss. Sometimes you can take some of those things back, negotiate with the insurance company for that, such as tires or stereo. But one thing that we've employed many times in helping clients, usually clients do it themselves, is filing a lawsuit in small claims court. A small claims court has statutory limits. You can't file a personal injury claim there, for example, for a $10,000, $20,000 claim. It's a $7,500 limit. But there are exceptions, and one of them is for property damage in a motor vehicle. So if you have a $20,000, $30,000 vehicle, total loss, and they're not giving you full value, you can file a small claim, small claims court, and you can have your hearing before a clerk magistrate. Now, this isn't like a jury trial, it isn't a long, involved trial, but if you have your documentation and you're on top of it, you're likely to get a better result than negotiating with an insurance company that doesn't want to give you a fair amount. Most insurance companies, most of the time, are adequate, they're fair, they might not be great, but they're adequate, and people go along with it. They want their money, they want to go on with the next car, and they've suffered a loss. So if you have a total loss for a motor vehicle accident, your vehicle is damaged, and you're not getting a good result, try papering, documenting your file, getting all that information to the insurance adjuster. If that doesn't work, you can certainly file a small claim in your local district court, not against the insurance company, but against the person that injured you, that damaged your car, and you see where that goes. If you've been injured, call us. It's a free initial consultation. Call Burns and Jain, 617-227-7423. And remember, small claims court is a good vehicle, pun intended, for getting you to the finish line. You may be able to negotiate before the hearing, after the hearing, or maybe get a great hearing with the clerk magistrate. If you have any questions, call Burns and Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.